The moon sneezed.
The moon sneezed out a spider web
That caught a passing star.
It twanged like strings on Pumpkinhead,
Who thought they'd joined a bar. The skeleton polished his funny bone
with a ghostly can of mist,
and offered tea to a nervous crow
who didn't quite exist.
Drip, drip, the floorboards weep. The moon can't sleep. The black cat wore a disco hat. The broomsticks danced in twos.
An eyeball rolled across the floor
to polish its glowing shoes. Granny Gould baked marshmallow bats with chocolate-coated spleens. The candles melted into song and sang about sardines. The scarecrow hiccuped lightning bolts
that startled 7 toads.
They all drove off on sugar carts down slippery licorice roads.
A vampire joined the spelling bee,
But only wrote in rhyme.
he rhymed bat with that, then splat,
And vanished out of time. Tick-tock, stop. Tick-tock, drop. Countess Clump of Fog was knitting ghosts from doom. Her yarn unraveled through the hills and haunted a kangaroo.
the pumpkins waddled off in line
To find some midnight soup.
but tripped upon their candlelight.
And formed a spectral loop. The clocks turned back and ran away. The bats applauded loud. The witch forgot her potion's name and scolded a passing cloud. By morning all was quite reversed.
The stars wore tiny feet.
The moon yawned wide, the sun looked scared.
And time just took a seat.